Welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country style farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's have a look. Country style farmhouse decor combines rustic charm with a cozy, lived-in feel. Here are some tips to achieve this look. Display cookware and dishware. In the kitchen, hang pots and pans on a wall-mounted rack or display your favorite dishes on open shelves. This not only saves space but also adds a homely, lived-in feel. Use muted colors. When choosing colors, stick to muted tones that reflect the countryside. Focus on lighting. Use a mix of natural light and warm, soft lighting. Consider using Edison bulbs in your fixtures for a vintage look and add table lamps or lanterns to create a warm ambience in the evenings. Incorporate shiplap walls. Adding shiplap to your walls can instantly give your home that farmhouse charm. Whether painted white or left natural, shiplap adds texture and a rustic touch. Mix old and new. Don't hesitate to blend modern elements with vintage ones. A sleek metal light fixtures can look stunning paired with a distressed wooden table, for instance. Add a farmhouse style table. A large wooden dining table, preferably weathered or with a distressed finish, is a key element of farmhouse decor. Pair it with mismatched chairs or a bench for a more casual look. Use quilts and patchwork. Incorporate vintage quilts or patchwork blankets in your living room or bedroom. This adds color, warmth, and handcrafted feel to your space. Opt for open shelving. Replace some of your kitchen cabinets with open shelving to display your favorite dishes, glassware, and rustic kitchen accessories. It creates a more open and airy feel. Use natural fiber rugs. Opt for rugs made from natural fibers like jute, seashell, or wool. They add texture and are durable, fitting perfectly with the farmhouse aesthetic. Decorate with chalkboards. Use a large chalkboard in your kitchen or entryway to display menus, grocery list, or welcoming messages. It adds a nostalgic and practical element. Oven baskets for storage. Use oven baskets for storing blankets, magazines, or even firewood. They are practical and contribute to the rustic country vibe. Introduce floral patterns. Use floral prints on curtains, cushions, or wallpaper to bring in a touch of the countryside. Opt for vintage-style florals with muted colors to keep the look cohesive. Rustic wall art. Decorate your walls with rustic or vintage-inspired art. Consider framed botanical prints, old farm sconces, or even antique mirrors with distressed frames. Use crockery as decor. Display vintage crockery like old plates, pitchers, and bowls on open shelves or in glass-fronted cabinets. They add a homey, traditional touch. Accent with copper. Copper pots and pans hang in the kitchen, or copper accents in decor items can bring warmth and an old-world charm to your farmhouse space. Checkered patterns. Incorporate checkered or gingham patterns in your tablecloths, curtains, or pillows. These classic country patterns add a cozy, nostalgic feel. Dye projects. Personalize your space with dye decor projects. For example, you can create a centerpiece from reclaimed wood or craft a wreath from natural materials like burlap, twine, or dried flowers. Keep it simple. Farmhouse style is all about simplicity. Avoid overcrowding spaces with too many decorative items. Instead, focus on a few key features that reflect the country lifestyle. Farmhouse style textiles. Choose textiles like ticking stripe fabrics, linen, and burlap for cushions, straws, and table linens. These materials are durable and have a natural, understated beauty. Add a porch swing or rocking chair. If you have a porch or outdoor space, a wooden swing or rocking chair can enhance the farmhouse feel. Add cozy cushions or throws for comfort. Earth iron details. Incorporate earth iron elements like bed frames, curtain rods, or light fixtures. The dark metal adds a rustic touch and contrasts beautifully with lighter wood tones and fabrics. Cozy textiles. Layer your space with soft linens, wool throws, and crochet blankets. Gingham, floral patterns, and ticking stripes are classic choices. Farmhouse lighting. Use pendant lights, candeliers, and lantern-style fixtures with the rustic, or industrial touch. Rustic accessories. Add galvanized metal buckets, mason jars, and enamel wire for a lived-in farmhouse vibe. Vintage signs, old farm tools, and woven baskets are also great additions. Greenery. Incorporate potted plants, herbs, and fresh flowers to bring the outdoors in and add a touch of nature. Neutral color palette. Use soft, neutral colors like beige, cream, white, and light gray. This can be accented with muted shades of blue, green, and mustard yellow. Vintage furniture. Look for distressed or antique furniture pieces like farmhouse tables, vintage cabinets, and weathered wooden chairs. Thanks for watching the video.